única, eu enlouqueci. É o que me faz sentir prazer. É o que me faz enlouquecer.
Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're unboxing the Pagadene Smartwatch. It's already open. Let's go. I got it from Amazon for how much? How much? Here's the watch itself. It's already unboxed. Take out the screen protector. And we're gonna turn it on. It doesn't even have any batteries in it yet. No, we need to charge it. Anyway, so we need to. So that means we need to charge it. Here it is. Here's all the things you need to know. Thank you for using this Bluetooth smartwatch for sport and health. You'll understand the use of the watch and enjoy perfect la 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 la. So you can pair it with your smartphone. La 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 la. And the other side's Chinese. And finally, you get the USB cord. The USB cord is extremely short. The USB cord isn't damaged. Okay, let's charge it.
3 hours later.
Okay, guys, so the watch is fully charged up. Now we can turn it on. That seems kind of familiar to me.
Hold the button on the side.
So we're gonna, here are the settings. You got a settings section. You can get security set, oops, no, security settings. Phone setting, phone lock. You can put a password and you can change the password. There should be something in the manual, but it doesn't say. It's just 0000, I think. Change that. So here's the menu. Oops. Whoa. Get out. So here is the front menu. You got the 3 buttons here. 1, 2, and 3. You got a few of the buttons like this. You see that? Well, this is the phone calling. You got another phone. This is the menu. You got power saving mode. You can turn it on. You can turn it off. Ringtone. Get some ringtones, which is nice. You got a clock type, digital clock, time and date, some city. I'm not in Berlin right now. I live in, home city. Scroll all the way back up. This scrolling is a bit bad. They don't have Brampton here, so I'll just have to find Toronto, since Toronto's closest to Brampton. You look at me struggle. No, there's no Toronto, there's Vancouver though. So I'll just assume it's New York because New York shares this one. Sit. Oops. 12. So the time is, have to get my time right now. Use my iPad since I can't set it myself. Don't feel like this is what I do. Focus. Oh, my iPad's dead now. But I can use my iPad, my brother's iPad just at the time. See if that's dead. Oh, it's dead too. Okay, let's see if I can find the other iPad that I need to get. Okay, sorry guys, sorry to leave you hanging, but my brother is stubborn. Anyway, the time is 17:46. 17. I don't like this keyboard. 17:40. Oops. 40. 40. hate this keyboard. Well, I'll just set it 48, and now I have to wait even longer. To date 2017. I hate this thing. Time is 4th of April, and yep, that's correct. And I think that's it. 12-hour time. And it does not update. Great. Clock type. Yep, it's a digital already. Set in home city. I'll reset that time and date. No, today 17:48. 201. No, not 7. 4.
No eating on the bedroom, I told
Come
you.
on.
Okay.
Wait.
Kuya, make it fast.
Oh, I don't like setting the time here.
You're taking too long setting up the time.
How do you set? How do you finish with it? Wow, it doesn't even. I don't know how to set it. Settings, clock. Whoops, that's front. That's the settings. Clock. I already set that. Oh, great. Oh, give me a second. I need to set the time. Hold on.
Later.
Okay, we're done. We finished setting up the time. You can see that 6:15, and we can. I'm used to having. So we just press the. You can have an analog or digital watch. So in the menu, you got a ringtone. You get to choose ringtone. You can do vibrate and ring, and then ring tight, ringtone. You get to choose some. The 1, 2. You got 5 ringtones to choose from, which is okay. Which for a cheap smartwatch, you got an alarm. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you got 5. A calendar. You got a pediometer. You got a stopwatch. Bluetooth, which I paired it to my iPad already. You can see that. My name is called His Thumbnails Were Made in Paint. You got some messages. Whoops. I mean, that won't work. There's the dialer, which won't work. Calls, which won't work. The BT Music, which is the music app. That won't work. BT Camera won't work. You got sedimentary reminder. Drink water. You got a calculator, which is kind of nice. Sleep monitor.
Stop.
Got a settings.
You will add your.
Got a power save mode. A ringtone, which I already been to. Oh, I think I just been here. So I think that's for the smartwatch right now. Thank you for watching.
Us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.